Alrighty, folks. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. We got to do a couple sound checks here. Could be totally way off. I am finally using a new broadcaster, and why I was like always, whenever I go away and I come back, even when I don't go away, there's always streaming issues, and there was a problem with the microphone and XSplit and all that shit. But I think we may have found something good, so hopefully I sound good. I need to get some more coffee and testing. 1 2 1 2. Alrighty. Hang on here. Yeah, I know. I don't know what's been going on with the whole microphone static thing. It just started happening, and it's on two separate computers, two different microphones. Although the last microphone was it's kind of messed up. And this well, it's actually a headset. This one's really nice. And I always, like, on Discord and stuff, it sounds really nice. I don't know why it's staticky here. But hang on, let me see how this sounds. All right. Anyways, I'm just happy to not be with XSplit anymore. Yeah, listen, you know, you're like the fifth person in the last 3 days. I know there's people impersonating me on Twitch. People are just going to have to be wise enough to... They're not even impersonating, they're just playing old reruns. I mean, if people fall for it, that's on them. There's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. It's something we've been dealing with for 8 years. I've spent thousands of dollars on going after a bunch of them. It's a never-ending battle. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to the real world. It's messed up. Anyways, I hope we've all been well. And I certainly have been well. Just been kind of enjoying my time and living life. That's really all I can say. I'm kind of enjoying the freedom. But I actually have been trading. It's really not crypto. But really not much and nothing to brag about, so to speak. But yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, you got it. You pretty much nailed it. I'm thinking another little 100K to $1 million challenge. No expectations. Really wasn't expecting much out of this. Just entered yesterday, literally when I made the video yesterday. Well, I turned it down because it's staticky. But I'll look. It is perfectly fine, dude. Don't fucking tell me to turn it up, for Pete's sake. Perfectly fine. And if anything, it's too loud. The music I can turn up. That's on you. My gosh, every time I come back from like a long vacation, I just want to go back again after looking at some of these damn comments. Jesus Christ. It's on you, bro. It's on you. Get just every person who complains about the volume, I'm fucking muting cuz it's on you. If I play it on my phone and I can hear me loud and clear and I can hear the beautiful voice of Natasha Prefolier, it's you, bro. By the way, folks, yeah, I thought yesterday it was going to be the Joe Rogan interview, but I guess he aired something else. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be on today. It should be on. Hopefully it's on today. Oh shit, I wasn't even on live chat. That's why. Wait, what the heck's going on here, man? Hang on. Yeah, anyways. I mean, this one was pretty simple. If you really want to jump right to it, can't you guys let me warm up a little bit? You know what I mean? This isn't a bit. It's a little it's a teeny weeny. It's a teeny weeny. It's my first stream back in 2 months. You don't gotta be asking me these fucking questions right out the gate. Let me just say what I want to say. Let's just listen to the music. Just listen to the music, man. We're not in any rush. I'm eating my drumstick. We're putting suit and jour back on. Anyways. I should probably mute while I'm chewing. Philip Toast, good to be back, brother. How you doing? You can't go wrong with those spicy KFC sandwiches. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, we've taken profit already. We've taken some profits. We're not sweating here, folks. I tell you, it's been hard to stay calm, not about the trade, But the chat, it can be hard to stay calm about the chat. But man, I tell you, so much has happened. I know the world is still a terrible place. Which has certainly had an effect on my yearn for streaming. Because every subject, every question goes back to the same, comes back to the same question. Why do I get rid of that sound? I don't know what that sound is that keeps happening. Oh, it makes a sound when someone subscribes. Okay, that's cool. I kind of don't want that sound. Yeah, beautiful voice. That's my favorite song of Natasha Marsh. Her name is Natasha Marsh. She has a lot of great hits. Her cover of Gymnopédie #1 is good for about the first half. Kind of can get a little old, but this one's good. She does a good job on this one too. Beautiful woman as well. Anyways. I know it's been a while, but if some of you still have spider lines on your chart, I mean, they're still nailing it. I might not have been around for a little while, but the spider lines have been. Why are we longing here? Well, I tell you, sir, we aren't doing a damn thing. I longed yesterday morning at what was that? 2005. That's why I made the video. And actually, it took me probably 10 or 12 takes to put that video out, and then like 4 of them I entered the trade on the video, just by the one that ended up coming out spitting out, I didn't, but I whatever. It was pretty simple. I mean, this is, if you flip this upside down, it's a top, we've seen this a million times, and it's just got the old textbook basic strategy backing it up. Money flow, curvature coming up. Your trigger to the anchor on the money flow, or excuse me, the momentum. And yeah, by any means, you know, it's probably what it is. This probably is what it is. But what am I gonna do? Close the trade when we just started to stream? I've already taken profits. We could take a little more. We'll see if we can limit out a little bit. But we're not looking for any home run. But yeah, we're gonna fire up the old 100. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. Man, chat must be like off time. I don't know why you guys are. Oh man, you guys are. I'm just gonna not look at the chat. I'm not looking at the chat. Okay, you guys are messing with me, saying it's I'm muted. I'm not muted. It's gonna be a mutiny in ye. Oh, by the way, the new website is live. And I would say there's gonna be like 3 phases. This is phase 1. And I invite you to go on it yourself and play around. It's 40% off right now for celebration of being on Joe Rogan. Yeah. Thanks, Flippy. Listen, I know I know what the website needs. I know what people need and what people want. When it comes to Market Cipher, you know, in the beginning we kind of got lucky with it in the sense that Market Cipher wasn't made to be it wasn't made for anyone but me, you know. It wasn't something that it wasn't. I didn't think it would end up being like a product and something that other people used. And you know, once you put something on trade, once you publish on TradingView, it cannot be changed. It's there for eternity. You could try to pay TradingView $100,000 and they would say no, we're not gonna. You cannot change it. And so I know sometimes it can be a little overwhelming to people when they see all the symbols and a lot of it's from bot trading and stuff. And it's all useful, don't get me wrong. But when it comes down to it, the most important thing for everyone to start is the basic strategy, the core strategy. And then go from there. But Florida was good. Were any of you guys at the was anybody at the Florida Bitcoin conference? It was a good time. Had a good time. I'm also long on Coca-Cola. Let me clean this up a little bit. And this is pretty simple. Once you go from crypto to trading normal stuff, it's like taking candy from a baby. Nice little channel here. got a little build up on the money flow and whatnot. RSI's nice and tight. Beautiful 2 hour. I tell you, you know who got screwed the most at the Bitcoin conference? Was the artists auctioning off their pieces, because there was a lot of art. And there's a gentleman there who goes by the name of Johnny Dollar. And I purchased a piece of art from him last time. And so I went down there and he was there again this time. And we shot the jazz a little bit. Talked about our personal lives a little bit. And he showed me some of his work. And he showed me this nice painting that he did. A nice big painting of whales and bears and bulls, and this big circular motion of the sea and the mountain, and minnows getting eaten, shat out, and then bucked by the bulls, and then beaten by the bears, and then eaten by the whales, and then shat out by the whales, horned by the bulls, beaten by the bears, in a nice circular motion. I liked it. You know, if the audio's low, it's if it's loud on phone. See, when I mic check, it's on the phone. And on the phone, it sounds totally fine. So are people having problems with their computers? Is that why it's low? Because you're on your computer? And I tell you, that my microphone is scratchy. I don't know why, but all my microphones is scratchy. So I'm sorry if it's quiet. I don't know what to tell you. It sounds good on my phone. Okay, the TV's, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Anyways, so we were talking about this painting. And, I was like, you know, Johnny. First off, I was like, he told me they were auctioning, you know, it's for auction. I was like, all right, you know, how do I place a bid? He goes, you know, do you use Lightning Network? And I was like, oh, Jesus Christ, that's the first problem of this place. You tell me I got to download a special app, somehow transfer some Bitcoin little Lightning on this app and then bid on it. But I said, you know, Johnny, what do you think this painting's going to go for? And he said, he goes, I'd be shocked if it went for under a Bitcoin. He'd be shocked if it went for under 20 grand. So I said, wow, Johnny, do we have any bids on it right now? Let's take a look. And we went on there and he said, yeah, the bidding ends tomorrow. So we pulled up the app and we saw that the bidding actually ended in 4 hours from that time. And there was a bid for $312. And he said, oh my God, that doesn't even cover the shipping. So I said, Johnny, listen. I'll give you under $5,000. Like $3,000 or $4,000 if someone doesn't, buy it from you for a good price. Why don't you guys set a retainer or set a limit on it? They don't, or the reserve. They didn't set a reserve. And, yeah, he saw me coming. Yeah, totally. So, anyways, I overpaid on purpose for this painting. I could have gotten it for $314. But, man, there was so much art there. To be honest, the art's the best part of the event besides the party. And the actual event itself, the art is the best part. And there's Pepe's everywhere. Yeah, and he told me, he went through some stuff. He actually lost his sister. And, I feel for that too. I feel for the man. I lost my mom the past few years. He lost his sister. I would hate to lose. I would hate to lose one of my siblings. So we shot the shit. Anyways. So I got a painting from him. And I tell you, right now, I told him, I said, even before he made the deal, I said, Johnny, if I don't get this paint, let's create something our own damn self. I'm not going on Lightning. I'm not going on Lightning to buy a painting. Let's just figure out our own shit. And the truth is artists right now painting shit. It's you can't get a custom painting for under $14,000 right now. That's a decent little size. It's such a ripoff right now. Right now is a great time to be a painting artist if you got a couple clients. Oh yeah, there was Pepe's everywhere. Speaking of Pepe, how's that doing? Speaking of Pepe, how's Pulse doing? No, he didn't give me the homeless speech. He's actually pretty successful. Yeah. Well, I tell you what, when Pulse, the first day that it came out, I was 4x'd my money. I'd be shocked if I was break even right now. Let's take a look. See here. Well, I'm taking a look on the other screen here. Okay, Pulse chain price. Ooh-wee. Okay, that might not be that bad. I think I'm still over break even because I got a pretty fat bonus. I'm not letting you guys know how much pulse I have. I don't want you to. But let me see how much. This size times. Ooh, okay. Okay. Yeah, as is now, and I don't even know how to offload it. I'd have to figure out how to offload it. But I'm still up 50%. I was 4x. And there was a guy who apparently sold like 15 million worth of it, and I don't know, I guess he made a nice little chunk of change, and everyone was giving him a bunch of jazz for it, but the guy, made a good move. You can't hate on people for selling. I don't think that's healthy. Like Memelon. Everyone loves Memelon this week, and then next week they hate Memelon. would have thought my risk has grown by now. What do you mean, bro? I haven't traded for 2 months. I took everything off, bro. I took everything off, went in my shell. I've been playing Diablo, been playing Call of Duty, working on the website, trading options and stocks and other stuff. It's good to see you too, bro. And this morning when I was, or last morning when I was making a little video, I was like, let me throw a little something back. Let's do a little 100K, 150K. Yippee okay, yay. Yeah, Diablo's fun, man, but there's kind of no point to playing it. Anyways, if you're just joining us, we are celebrating going on Joe Rogan, baby. MarketCipher.com. Joe Rogan, the JRE podcast. Looking forward to it. I think it airs today. And in celebration, a lot of you have asked if there's any special deals coming to Market Cipher. We are doing 40% off right now with code PLATINUM. So tell your friends, tell your family, grab your kids, grab your wife. Use your reseller link. Use your reseller link. And I'll pay you 15%. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Mind you, I haven't looked at Bitcoin charts for a long time. I gotta be honest, sometimes I kind of get sick of it all. You know what I'm saying? But boy, these RSIs are still gapped. The 2-week just clipping. Yeah, Bitcoin is definitely decoupled from the stock market. Has it not? Has it not? I have a shit ton of money, but I need yours. No, I don't need your money, bro. Ugh. Oh my gosh, what's happened to Pepe? Oh my god. This was supposed to be the next Monero or something. How's Crow doing? ETH. To be honest, everything looks like shit. I mean, it as it has been. Ooh, ETH. Ooh, the 2 hour. Oh. We're just gonna take the rest of our profits. We've been streaming long enough, so let's see if we can just limit out a little bit here. Is this what Bitcoin looks like on the 2 hour? Because, damn! Not as bad. Not as bad as ETH. But yeah, got her what, little 3-4%? We'll take it. We'll take it. Whoops. What? What the heck? Am I tripping right now, dude? What? Am I tripping? These, why? Why is this switching from 4 to 5? What the hell's going on here? Why is this so gapped? What the hell? There we go. That order book was all messed up. Little teeny weeny for the first trade back for a couple months. Little teeny weeny. A teeny weenie's better than a no weenie. Yeah. Yes, Thomas. A limit order. You are a market maker. You're putting an order on the books. Therefore, you're helping out the business instead of just taking from it and not putting a foundation there. So yes. Dude, you're totally right. You're totally right. How's the old Dixie doing? How's Dixie? Oh wow. What? Wow, Dixie. The Dixie came back. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I've been gone. I've been traveling. Been, you know. That's right. That's right. Sometimes it does, and then sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. You know, every time it's different. I don't know if an ETF would necessarily be bullish, even though that's what everyone wants to think. Everyone wants to think it would be bullish. Just like the last 6 times with every other time that Bitcoin was launched on some type of financial instrument. It was supposed to be a good thing. But it turned out to be a painful thing. So yeah, last time we did the $100,000 to $1 million challenge. It took us what, 60 days? That was pretty damn good. Yeah, the price action, you know. I mean, if I know a lot of you guys are kicking ass and taking names, getting in and out multiple trades a day. That to me, that's like the main environment. You know, that's the main environment of Bitcoin currently. But yeah. I'm just talking out of my ass. You know, I'm a little rusty. We're a little rusty, folks. I don't know who Dave. Who is Dave Digital? Who is this guy? And I gotta say, I don't know how to unban him, dude. Okay, if we have to unban someone from our channel, it's like impossible to do because you have to go through a sea of tens upon tens of thousands of bots, scammers, haters, fuckers, cluckers, duckers, muckers, in fakes and spams and coin spam bots. And it's not just, you don't just type in a search bar, and it's not alphabetically done either. It is impossible to unban someone. You got the answer. Why is it so hard for me to find basic strategy opportunities? Good question. What are you looking at? That'd be my question to you. What are you looking at, buddy? Yeah, Digital Dave, I don't know what to tell you, brother. If you're banned, you're pretty much in the void, bro. There ain't no cut. You're done. You're done. Yeah. These pencil necks want to get riled up, huh? These pencil necks want to come in my first day back after 2 months and start barking orders at me, saying stupid shit. CF, how come you never enter how come you never enter a trade live? How come you're never in the red? How come even though I forget the next day when you do, and I haven't paid you shit, and yeah, tell Dave. I mean, listen, was it something recent? You know, I have mods, dude. I don't ban. You know, was it recent? Listen, which reminds me. Big problem. I know a lot of people are able to steal you if they had an account with Pick already. But if you are in the USA and you need to trade, I do have a place for you. That's probably good for like 2 years. And I gotta like I gotta like actually announce that shit like next week or this week. So I know it's a big problem for people. A lot of people vacationing in the United States. Listen, it's hard to be able to. It's hard. I can't even turn crypto into dollars if I want to, without going through a bunch of bullshit and making another LLC again. You know the way I turn crypto into dollars is that these Indian Arab doctors, Kirpal, Kirpal buys fucking Bitcoin from me for like 20 grand at a time. That's how I turn my crypto into dollars. I can't even turn my crypto into dollars anymore. It's ridiculous. It's gone backwards. Shit's gone backwards. You guys can try to guess. I don't think none of you are gonna know who it is. But it's an exchange that I am able to trust. That's all I'm gonna say about it. And when I say I trust, I mean I with my money. I shouldn't have even said that. But yes, there is. If listen, if yeah, you know, yeah. If you vacation in the States and other countries, so to speak, and you feel stuck, like you can't trade anywhere, you can. You can still. That's funny, Zach. You get what I'm saying? None of you guys have said, I'll tell you, the exchange I'm talking about, none of you have said it in the chat. Macro for Bitcoin, bro, it looks like shit. Listen, everything, it's all going to hell. It's all going to hell. There is no, it's just, you know, I don't know, it's not even the environment. I don't care. I don't care. Six-hour turning nicely a little bit there to the downside. Look at this curvature on the V VWAP to the downside on the 4 hour. The 2 hour. Did the markets open yet? Oh. It's sideways, slow, down, shitty, not fun. It's like it's just not attractive. I don't feel the call. Yeah, tell Dave. When did Dave get banned? Does he know? Oh, but look at the 20. The 20 minute is coming to the top, but so is the 15. I'd say if you got this move, that's good enough. If you got the move, it's good enough. This one was pretty easy. Good one, Apex. Hey man, listen, I missed most of you guys. I know one of these days we're gonna have a little yacht party. Hell, I tell you, when Joe Rogan episode airs, maybe today. That party might just be a little sooner than later. You know what I'm saying? Madman longing into a weekend. Excuse me, sir. Sir. I went long yesterday morning. And I'm sorry, does every weekend the price doesn't... Are you telling me that for your whole life and your whole career in trading, that there has never been a time where the price went up going into the weekend? Is that what you're saying? Are you telling me that apparently, no matter what, you don't want to long into the weekend? Is that what you're telling me? That you think you know something like that? That you think... Is that what you're thinking? How can I take what you think serious when you can't even see? What's in front of you? How can I value your opinion when you can't even read? Good morning. Good morning. Folks, if you're just joining us, I think today might be the day that we are on Joe Rogan And folks, I knew, and you don't have to believe me. It's okay. But I always knew that out of our little crypto circle of whatever, that somehow, some way, it wouldn't be Charles Hodgkinson's. It wouldn't be Vitalik Buterin. It wouldn't be Dick Hart. It would be me. It would be we. It ain't me, it's we. Anyways, no, I'm not the one who's actually there. It's our man, though. It's our man. Platinum over gold. Boom. Joe Rogan looking Chinese. He's so high. Again, if you're just joining us, yes, it's our first stream back for a couple months. First crypto trade back. We're probably, I mean, it's the episode was going to air. We thought it was going to air yesterday. The 40% off market Cipher was supposed to end today on David Hay. But since we're getting so much response, we're gonna run it another day. Listen, folks, let's talk about Tether. You know what I feel like every time we talk about a quote-unquote, I don't even want to say it because it doesn't deserve to be said, okay? It doesn't even deserve the word to be said. All right. Now, here. Oh, it's depegged. Oh my god. Oh my god. Half of a penny real quick. Oh shit. Oh, it's not. When you look at the charts, oh my god, it's depegging. Oh my god. Well, you look to the right. Okay, it's all right. It's still crypto. It's all right. The fact that they even someone wrote an article on it. Shame. Yeah, I think we're gonna run it through the weekend, probably till Sunday. So, dude, 40% off ain't no joke on the new website, phase 1. These little things light up, and you check it out. When you click it, they light up. Pretty cool. Reviews. I tell you what, folks. These reviews are used, guys and gals. Read more. Oh my God, this is so cool. And look, we blurred out their name too. It just has the first letter on it. This is real shit. It's pretty cool. Market Cipher, empowering traders. That's our new slogan. Market Cipher, empowering traders. Now, if you that shit sounds good. Feels good. Yes, the calculator will be there, but we have to make sure that it looks nice. The risk calculator will be on the website. But listen, I tell you, the whole Joe Rogan thing came last minute, and so we wanted to make sure we at least had this online. It gets the job done for now, but we have much more coming. We pretty much are running another 100K challenge. Threw a few bones back on the account yesterday morning. So I wanted to enter a little long, which I did. Just a little long. And we closed about half of it. I know it's not as much for what many of you are used to your boy doing, but listen, I'm rusty, crusty, but we are busty. That's right, Billy. Joe Rogan, baby. I believe it airs today. It was supposed to air yesterday, but Robert Kennedy, I guess, got the spot. He doesn't do live. Joe don't do lives no more. So it's pre-recorded now. What's up, Incognito? $600's a lot for an indicator. Well, is Market Cipher an indicator? No. An indicator is just, one thing. These two RSIs, that is an indicator. This yellow X, that is an indicator. This red X, that's an indicator. That is yellow gray dot, that's an indicator. Market Cipher is a way of life. It's everything that many people, it is the only thing that tens of thousands of traders out there need. And there are a lot more people who paid more than $600, and they would pay a lot more because it actually fucking worked for them. So I don't want to hear about price, bro. You don't know if it's expensive. You don't know what the value is. Is it expensive? Let me tell you. Is $600 expensive? If you make $3,000 your first week on your first trade, Tony Romo, I tell you, you know what's expensive? What's expensive is gambling on a trade of any kind, going off of support and resistance, going off of an RSI, going off of an EMA. To me, shit, expensive. It's that's not even the right word. It's trading. Well, how most people trade is a straight gamble. 51% gamble. They gamble on 51 and 52% odds if they're lucky. Then they have to be self-disciplined. That's right, doctor. Thank you, doctor. I'm losing my voice. You can tell I haven't streamed in a long time. I know. I couldn't help it, Clop. I'm sorry, bro. How are you, Billy? I miss you, man. Miss you, Billy. It's good to see you. Billy, we're running 40% off for the Joe Rogan celebration. It's already recorded. It's already done. It just needs to be aired. And so we're getting primed and ready for the masses. We're ready for a space invasion. Or not. But either way, it's 40% off until I think Sunday. And then we're cutting it back. So use your reseller links. Use your reseller links. A rising tide lifts all ships. So market Cipher going on Joe Rogan just means that we're all on Joe Rogan. Sorry, I have this shit zoomed in. Anyways, go play with it yourself. Go play around. If you're just joining us, we have closed half of our trade. Currently, still got 414,000. It's a little teeny beanie weenie. A teeny beanie weenie. A little 7K here, a little 8K there. You know. I tell you, you know who actually has been pegging the market like a broken tail on a donkey is Billy, aka Jason Casper. Last I seen that, this gentleman has been, he's blessed. He's a man of faith, a man of many positive qualities. So, guys, listen, I think we're going to call it a stream here. Again, there's no point to being successful if you do not enjoy your freedom and do what you want. Sometimes, at least. Sorry, my dog was barking. You know, there's many types of slaves in this day and age. We're all pretty much a slave to something one way or the other, some worse than other. But, that the whole goal is to make it so you can be free and have no obligations. Anyways, I need to get off this stream. So good luck. God bless you. We told you so yesterday morning. We told you so. No, I'm just kidding. But I think we did. Pretty sure we did in the video. Anyways, I'm just saying stupid shit right now. I'm like delirious right now. But thanks for coming and hanging out. And I'll see you guys soon. Okay? Yeah, I gotta figure out how to turn this thing off now. This is, let's see here. Okay, this is the giveaway button. Oh my god, I don't, okay. Giveaway, random giveaway. What happens if I click this? Oh my god, I just gave away $5,000 to some lucky winner on accident. There's a little giveaway button here. Oh gee, I wonder who it would be. Alrighty, 40% off Market Cipher. Let's get it. Keep your eye on Joe Rogan today. I think we air today.